So what were you thinking, man? What made you pick that segment?
You know, my father was in manufacturing. He was the president. He was like the takeover guy, not the takeover guy, but the rebuild guy. He'd go into manufacturing companies and turn them around. And there's something about manufacturing that's just always been in my blood. And I don't know what it is. I just like going into manufacturing plants and being on the shop floor and the smells and the sounds. And I don't know if it's the project guy in me, the guy that likes to fix stuff and make stuff, but it just seems cool to me. And over the years, our first client was a manufacturing company. They manufactured golf balls. And it's a story for another day, but it's a pretty cool story. And I just realized like the process is fun. And the people in manufacturing are really good people. I found that they're very down to earth. Manufacturers, they want a partnership. They really believe in that relationship. And the problem is with manufacturers, many of them have a very engineering mindset. So you yourself, you know.
I'm guilty.
Yeah. And usually that engineering mindset is one of prove it to me, show it to me. If I can't quantify it or put it on paper, it doesn't exist.
Right.
And to them, marketing is often smoke and mirrors. And historically for manufacturers built their business on relationships. It was all about those relationships and taking people out and going golfing and buying gifts and entertainment and really getting to know families, and those relationships last a lifetime, and so do those business relationships. Well, now with the internet over the last 15 years, that's all flipped upside down.
Okay.
And so I felt that manufacturing this is going to sound hokey. I always felt manufacturing was like the lifeblood of our communities, and if we could help them and while doing something I loved, why not? Yeah, even better.